In this video, the usage of the Remastered AXISVM analysis control component is introduced. The Grasshopper script contains analysis settings for vibration, linear static, buckling, and nonlinear static analysis. They are going to be the input data for the analysis control component. They are represented with the relay components here. Let's start the vibration analysis by connecting the analysis settings and setting the start input to true. The calculation process is speeded up in the video. When the calculation is finished, the vibration result case is displayed on the appropriate output. We see that it is linear vibration, it is the first and only result case, calculated for a load combination, and contains 20 mode shapes. Connecting the linear static relay, the analysis starts. The model is automatically saved before and after the calculation. This is why a valid file path is a mandatory input. Now we can compare the list of result cases with AXISVM. The load cases, load combinations, envelope and critical result cases are all part of the list. If we would like to run further analysis, we must zoom the analysis control component and add extra input parameters by clicking on a black plus sign. The output count is automatically adjusted. If we want to connect or change more than one analysis setting at once, we must set the Boolean toggle to false. Then we are free to, for example, connect 2 more analysis settings, and when we start the process, all modifications are considered. The vibration and linear static analysis is not repeated. The component simply reloads the detected valid result cases. The finite element calculations are executed according to the input order of the analysis control component, from top to bottom. AXFEA1 input is solved first, then AXFEA2, 3, and so on. Only the AXFEA1 is mandatory input, that's why it is bold. The others are optional. User may even leave some gaps, for example, connects nothing to AXFEA2, but connects something to AXFEA3. The nonlinear static analysis is also finished, and the result case list can be compared with AXISVM. The user may reduce the input count by zooming the analysis control and clicking on any of the white minus signs. Let's change the order of the analysis settings. Take the buckling first and linear static FEA second. The result case lists are found. Now, let's tell that we want to have 10 buckling mode shapes instead of 8. In this case, the buckling analysis is restarted. Result cases of the linear static FEA are simply reloaded. If the dimensions or items of the model are changed, the analysis control can't find any available valid result. Therefore, all finite element calculations are repeated automatically after the data transfer.